How to fix Google Play Store not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store not downloading on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here storage, and first thing you need to do here is to clean cache. So just clean some space here, or you can just clean it from your gallery. And now let's move to the next step. First go to settings and then apps or applications and then apps again, and here you will find all your installed apps. And first thing you need to do here is to click Play Store, to type Play Store, and then type here and then click on it, and then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and then just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just type here services, and here you will find Google Play services. Click on it and then click force stop, and don't click force stop, click storage and then clear cache. Now just go back and try again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.